Hi all, welcome back. Today we are going to know about some basic technique of pencil drawing, that is pencil shading method. In this video, I am discuss about 10 shading methods. These techniques are the mostly using technique in pencil drawing. We will see these one by one. So let's get started. First one is hatching. You see, draw a slanting line one side to another. It is hatching method. This image describes you how to add value with the hatching method, light to dark shading with the hatching method. I drew a water can using with hatching lines. Second one is cross hatching. Draw hatching lines. After that, just cross it, like what I do here. This image describes you where to use cross hatching method. Add a light to dark value. I drew a fish using with cross hatching lines. Third one is contour method. This one is similar to hatching line, but little difference. The stroke should not be straight lines. Just draw curvy like this. This one is sample of contour drawing and add a light to dark value using contour lines. Fourth one is cross contour. Draw contour lines and just cross it like this. I drew a pumpkin using cross contour line. Fifth one is smudging or blending. For this method, you have to lay down your pencil straight. This one is very essential technique for pencil drawing. I drew a sphere using this method. We will see how to draw a form using this method on upcoming videos. Sixth one is circlism. You draw small circles and many overlapping circles like what I do here. I drew a teddy using this method. Seventh one is short dashes. Just draw short or tiny dashes like this. This one is sample image. Eighth one is stippling method. In this method, you can apply lots of dot. This dot shouldn't be overlapping each other. You have to maintain its difficulty. This one is most hardest technique because it takes a lot of time to work. Very few artists work with this technique. I drew a globe using this method. Ninth one is scribbles. Just to draw random lines like this. I drew a landscape using this method. And the last one is choice method. This one is sample image of choice method. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like this video, share with friends and subscribe our channel for more detailed drawing tutorial. Thanks for watching.